Picture this: an archaeological find in eastern France, boasting a never-before-seen mix of enclosures spanning across three distinct time periods. In Marliens, near Dijon, excavations have revealed an unprecedented discovery: a monument featuring three interlocking enclosures, each unique yet interconnected, speaks volumes of a past that's both ancient and intriguing. The oldest occupation showcases a 36-feet diameter circular enclosure, flanked by a smaller horseshoe-shaped structure to the north, and another circular design to the south. A layer of gravel indicates the presence of a once-standing fence. Artifacts from the site, including flint arrowheads, archer's bracers, and a copper alloy dagger, suggest a Neolithic attribution, potentially tracing back to as far as 10,000 BC. Radiocarbon analytics are in the works, aiming to establish the exact dating. An armband with iron oxide traces tied to pyrite sparks curiosity, indicating it could have been used to light fires. Further away, 5 circular enclosures from between 1500 BC and 1300 BC have been found. Remains of burials and a funeral pyre were discovered, but the soil's acidity didn't allow for the preservation of unburned bones. Last but not least, a First Iron Age occupation, complete with urns and burial ornaments, is located around 1,300 feet from the plain. Early Bronze Age wells sit nearby, with clay layers at the bottom, promising to provide information on the natural environment and landscape of the Bronze Age valley. In the world of archaeology, the past isn't dead, it isn't even past.